Welcome back. Today we will be looking at Class 3 International Maths Olympiad 2014 Set A Part 2. So Part 1 is already uploaded in the channel. So Part 2. 21st question. Garima puts 154 marbles into each of her 20 boxes. She has 28 marbles left. How many marbles does she have altogether? So 154 into each of her 20 boxes. So 154 into 20. Here 1 0 is here 0. Then 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10 0 1. 1 2s are 2 plus 3. 2 plus 1 3. 3080. 3080 plus 28 marbles left. 28. That is 8. 8 plus 2. 10. 1. 3. 3108. So B is the correct option. Next question. 6 pens and 3 pencils cost rupees 42. If a pencil cost rupees 2, then how much does a pen cost? 6 pens plus 3 pencil equal to 42. So they given that pencil cost 2. So 6 pen plus 3 into 2 equal to 42. That is 6 pens equal to 42 minus 3 into 2, 6. 42 minus 6, that is 36. So 6 pen cost 36. So 1 pen cost 36 divided by 6. How many 6 are 36? 6 6 are 36. So 1 pen cost 6 rupees. So A is the correct option. Next question. 23rd question. A toy shop has 150 cars and 101 trains. It has 45 more dolls than the number of cars and trains together. How many dolls does the shop have? Cars and trains. How many in total? 150 plus 101. That is 152. 251. 45 more dolls than the number of cars and trains together. So 251 plus 45. That is the dolls. That is 5 plus 1 6. 5 plus 4 9 2. 296 dolls in the shop. So C is the correct option. Next question. On 1st December, there were 1275 tourists in Kerala. On 2nd December, 983 more tourists came in and 1163 left for Goa. How many tourists were there in Kerala on 2nd December? So we have to find out 1st December 1275 tourists. 2nd December 983 more. So plus 983. So how many tourists here? 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 7 15. 5 1 carry over. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 2 12. 1 carry over 2. 2258. But 1163 left for Goa. So 2258 minus 1163. 8 minus 3 5. 5 minus 6 is not possible. So from here we take 1. 15 minus 6, that is 9. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. Then 2 minus 1 is 1. 1095. That is D is the correct option. Next question. 25th question. A man buys 45 bananas for his monkeys every day. How many bananas does he buy in the month of September? So how many days are in September? 30 days of September. There is a poem. Is it? Yes. 30 days. So 45 bananas each. 30 days. So 45 into 30. How we write? 45 into 3. Then we add 1 0. 3 5s are 15. 5 1. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 13. Then 0 added. So 1350 bananas. B is the correct option. Next question. Rohan needs 315 earthen lamps to decorate his house. The lamps come in box of 15. How many boxes should he buy? How many 15s are 315? That is 315 divided by 15. How many 15 are there in 31? 2. 2, 15, 30. So 1 remainder, then 15. How many 15 in 15? 1 15. So 15, 0 remainder. So how many boxes? 21. So A is the correct option. Next question. 27th questions. Nita's doll cost rupees 243. Varun's remote controlled car cost 4 times as much as the doll. How much does Varun's car cost? Doll cost 243. Then 4 times. So 243 into 4. That is 3 4s are 12, 2, 1. 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17, 7, 1. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 972. So C is the correct option. Next question. My dog weighs 22 kilogram. Raj's dog is half as heavy as my dog. What is the weight of Raj's dog? That is, dog weighs 22 kilogram. Half as heavy as my dog. That is 22 into 1 by 2. That is 22 by 2. How we write? 22 divided by 2. How many 2's are in 2? 1 2's are 2. Then 0, 2, 1, 2. So 11 kilogram. So Raj's dog weighs 11 kilogram. B is the correct option. Next question. 29th question. A cow gives 4 liter 345 milliliter of milk on Wednesday and 3 liter 645 milliliter on Thursday. On which day did it give more milk and by how much? 4 liter, 3 liter. So we know that Wednesday it gives more milk. So Wednesday, but how much? This or this option. So 4 liter 345 milliliter minus 3 liter 645 milliliter. How we write? 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 4 0, 3 minus 6 is not possible. So we take from here 1. 13 minus 6, that is 7. So 3 minus 3 0. 0 liter 700 milliliter. So 700 milliliter. Wednesday 700 milliliter. Next question. Ledika starts her piano and dance lessons at 3 p.m. A piano lesson takes 1 hour and a dance lesson takes 30 minutes. What time does she finish her lessons? After 3 p.m. 1 hour after 3 p.m. means 4 p.m. Is it? Yes. Then half an hour, that is 4:30 p.m. So 4:30 p.m. C is the correct option. Next question. 31st question. Study the diagram below. Each figure stands for a number. Here this 24, this 25, this 16, this 10. Find the value of this into triangle. So this into this is 25. So 5 into 5 is 25. So this is 5. And this is 16. This into this is 16. That is 4 into 4 is 16. So this 4. Then this is 5 and this is 10. So 5 into how many equal to 10? That is 2 equal to 10. Then this into 4 equal to 24. How many into 4 equal to 24? 6 4s are 24. So this is 6 and triangle is 2. So 6 into 2, that is 12. C is the correct option. Next question. The weight of a marble is 5 grams. What is the minimum number of marbles needed to dip the scale below to the right? So below to the right means here it weighs more. That is greater weight is here. So it gives down. So greater 28. So the weight of a marble is 5 grams. So how many marbles are here? To weigh down. That is how many 5s are? 6 5s are 30. 30 is greater than 28. So how many marbles, minimum marbles needed? That is 6. But if 8 is here, 8 5s are 40. So it become down, but minimum number is chosen. So 6 is the minimum number chosen. Next question. 33rd question. Read the clues below and help Tarun obtain his lucky 4-digit number PQRS. The digit P is greatest odd digit. What is the greatest odd digit? Odd digits are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in one's place. So greatest odd digit is 9. So P is 9. So P is 9. Then R is less than P. 4 less than P. R is 4 less than P. So 9 minus 4. That is 5. So R is 5. Then Q is 7 less than P. 7 less than P means 9 minus 7. That is 2. That is Q is 2. This is 5. This is 9. Then S has the value 9 tens minus 91s. 9 tens means 9 into 10. That is 90. Minus 91s means 90 into 1. That is 90. That is 90 minus 90. That is 0. So S equal to 0. So PQRS 9250. 9250 A. Correct option. Next question. 34th question. If star plus star plus star plus star equal to 24. How many stars are here? 4 stars. Is it? Yes. 4 stars means 24. So 1 star equal to 24 divided by 4. That is 6. Then this into 1 star equal to 18. That is this into 6 equal to 18. So this equal to 18 divided by 6. That is 3. So this is 3. This is 6. This is 3. Then here and this minus this equal to 6. This one is we got 3. So this one equal to 6 plus 3, that is 9. So A is the correct option. This equal to 9. Next question. In this session, last question, 35th question. Vikas ate dash fewer jellies than Aisha. Vikas, Aisha. How many more here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is here. Here Aisha 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 more. That is 1. This stands for 5 jellies. So 2 5s. That is 10. So C is the correct option. C is the correct option, 10. That is, we have to count this and difference between these two and into 5. So 2 into 5, 10. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and also share it to other students also, and we will be coming back to answer questions soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.